Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Curly Tech. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick demo on the 35I Icy Fantasy Palette. So as you can see, the cover here is very nice and dreamy, a lot of purples, a lot of blues, a lot of like the fun icy colors. Sorry, my lighting is a little weird, it's kind of overcast here today. When you first open the palette, it does come with this little sheet that has all the names. I just taped it to the top of the thing just so it doesn't fall out every time I use it. So here's what the palette looks like itself. Has a ton of gorgeous colors. I have seen a couple people use like 3 or 4 different colors on their eyes. I just wanted to do just kind of like a quick look, so I used some of the purples here and this really nice glittery color here at the bottom. And as I show you the look, I'll post the colors that I use so you guys know. So if you guys want to see the look that I have on my eyes today, keep watching. thoughts on the palette. I do really like the colors, though they're not, I mean, they look super pigmented in the little pans, but putting them on, I did have to do like a couple different layers, especially for the glitter, which is understandable. It is a glitter. So I just took a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus and just sprayed my brush with it, and to kind of help pack on the pigment. I have seen a couple people do it with their fingers. I did not try that today, but I've seen good results as for them using that versus using a brush. As far as fallout, I didn't have a lot of fallout, which is good, but I didn't like overly pack my brush down, because I figured I would just pack on a couple different layers instead of just like one super thick layer. So the fallout to me wasn't too bad. Some of the colors are a little chalky, I'm not gonna lie. All thoughts on the palette is it's nice. I wouldn't say that it's gonna be my main go-to if I want to do like fun colors, but I would definitely use it again, and I am going to use it again and mess around with a couple different of the like pinks that they have in there. They have some nice blues and some nice greens, so those aren't like colors that I use every day, obviously, but I am wanting to step out of my makeup comfort zone and start to do looks that are a bit more bold or outgoing versus my normal nude shades that I do on my eyes. Let me know in the comments down below what your guys' overall thoughts are on this eye look. Do you want to see more from this palette or from different Morphe palettes? I do have several in my collection. Or have you guys used the 35I Icy Fantasy Palette? What are your thoughts on it? Definitely leave me a comment down below so we can chit chat on it some more. Alright guys, so that's all I have for the video this week. I'll catch you guys next week.